Hi guys, how are you? This is one of our client from France who have contacted us regarding the voice trading address issue. This is his company, and you can guys see this company has a virtual address 7175 Shelton Street, which is a virtual address. That is why they are asking for a proof of for trading address. I have updated the unique trading address for this client. This is the part of our procedure. We update a unique trading address and then they want proof for that trading address. Okay. So what we will do, we will prepare the document for this company and submit for this in here. Okay. So we see the list of the acceptable documents. You can see here utility bill, lease agreement, bank statements. So I have a advice for you all you guys. Don't edit the fake utility bill or the fake bank statements because they check for all the document that you upload and they immediately terminate your account. They will close your account because your document is edited or fake one with a few editing texture changement. So what we will do, we will prepare a 4 pages lease agreement for this company. I have already prepared for this one. You can see here, this is a business lease agreement. All the details of the company and the trading address which I updated into the Wise is mentioned on the document. And this is now the first time I have uploaded for the tens of companies, and every time it got succeed. Okay, we submit this document. You can see I have submitted the lease agreement for this client. This is from France, and now here I submit the document for this person, and I will pause the video and look at this, guys. This is the same company I uploaded the lease agreement for, and this is approved. You can see here the one-time payment is also approved, and all the account details are given. Digital card is active. Let me show you the email I received from the Wise regarding the FC European Limited. You can see the name of here, and you guys never added a fake utility bill or the fake bank statement. I have a tons of message from clients that have edited the fake utility bill, bank statements, and these kind of documents from other service provider, and they immediately they get their account banned. Okay, don't rely on these fake documents. Their system is very fast in detecting the fake documents. Okay, what we do, we prepare a lease agreement of the 4 pages which is generated through the original landlord and at a cheaper prices. We do all the stuff A to Z verification and everything. You can see here the bank details are given. I have blurred the things regarding the privacy of the clients. Here you see my website, kadirhamzaservices.com, where you can see all the services I provide regarding digital services, and you can guys visit. And this is my WhatsApp number regarding my WhatsApp team. You can contact here and discuss with me the problem you're facing regarding trading address or the fintech bank signups. We also provide creation services and consultation for the various fintech banks like Payoneer, Wise, Airwallex, Revolut Business for even non-European customers. Okay, so when you contact us on the WhatsApp or any of our social media handle, what we do first, we ask for a few questions regarding your company and the type of your business, and then we ask you to update your trading address into the Wise account. Once you have updated the trading address into your Wise account, we ask for the screenshot, and after the screenshot it is given, we just start the preparation of the lease agreement document on your company details and hand over to you to upload it yourself on the Wise account, whether if you're expert in this. Otherwise, we also take the login of your Wise account if you have no privacy concern, like most of the clients do have. So we respect their privacy concern and we don't ask for the login. The only purpose to have the login of your Wise account is to just perform the action accurately with no mistakes and no problem in the future. Okay, after that, We will hand it over document to you. You upload it yourself. That's 100% completely okay. Okay. And also regarding the payment of the lease agreement, because we don't added fake bank statement and fake utility bill, these kinds of fake documents.